Gosh, my hair looks like a rat's nest right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have our Sephora April Playbox. I'm not going to show my address, but I am so excited. I thought I should open this up for you guys. I love unboxing videos, so if you like unboxing videos, give this video a thumbs up. Let's just dive right in. Familiar with the Sephora Playbox, basically what it is, it's a subscription through Sephora and it's only $10 a month. I believe you get about 5 products, travel size products in your bag, and it's just something that's nice to do, especially with Sephora being so high-end and expensive. It gives you the chance to try out some products that you never thought you would try, and maybe you'll end up liking it and wanting to purchase it. So this is the April box, and with every Sephora Playbox it comes with a little pamphlet. Kind of has like a little theme going on, and they always give you this little card right here that has 50 bonus points when you go to shop in at Sephora with your purchase. So it's nice to rack up those points. Just a cute little paper, and then it shows all the products on the other side, details and all that jazz. Looks like this bag is in a nice neon purple shade, nice for the springtime. So the first product I just pulled out is a Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and I've actually never tried this. This is the smoothing primer. This is what that guy looks like. So obviously this is a travel size, gives you the option to try it out. The only thing I would say about these pamphlets is it doesn't show you the price of the full-size product, so I'll leave that down below or in the sections right here. But this is the first item I got. Next item out of the bag, it looks like it's some hair care products. So this is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Shampoo and Conditioner Bond Repair. So there's that. So basically what this product is supposed to do is it's supposed to reduce breakage, help strengthen hair, and it's supposed to help condition and help prevent future damage. So I've never tried Alterna hair products or hair care, but I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I'll give this guy a shot. Not the biggest fan when it comes to shampoo and conditioner samples. That's just next up in the bag. I have this Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water Matcha Green Tea Extract. Ooh. So there's that. That looks very cool. And I love these kinds of products. This is like a makeup remover micellar water type product. So this is just supposed to help take off your makeup. Cool thing about this is you don't need to rinse your face afterwards. So interesting. But I always wash my face no matter what I do. So yeah, that's really nice. Next up, I have this fresh sheer pink lip treatment. I love getting fresh products in my Sephora Playboxes. I got in one before, but I accidentally like broke it basically. My son broke it. So anyways, I'm really glad I got another one. This one's super cute, and they're really good with the lips. I think I got this one last time too, so I think this is the same exact one actually. It's very nice. It's just a nice everyday chapstick, and these are pretty expensive, and they give you a good size amount as well, so I'm really excited to have this guy in my bag. Next up, I have this Glam Glow Good in Bed Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. Ooh, it's in a nice red tin. Super cute. This is just supposed to help soften and plump up your skin, and I love night creams, and I love it when they're in this size as well because a little does go a long way. Ooh, and it smells really good too. Love Glam Glow products, just great stuff. The last product in my little bag, and it looks like it's a mascara. This is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. I'm not going to open this just because I don't like opening up mascaras because they tend to dry out, and I have so many mascaras to go through. This mascara is supposed to help lengthen, volumize, and define your lashes. And I think I've actually tried this before. I gotten this in an Ulta like sample when you like purchase things from Ulta with like Clinique and stuff. So I think I've tried this before, but I'm definitely willing to try it again. Looks like this is everything in my box. I received 6 products this time, so that's not bad at all. This is a pretty good box this month. I'm not the biggest fan, again, on the shampoo and conditioner, but this I can definitely get some use out of, and I think I might actually purchase some things. Anyways, guys, that's the end of this video. Just a quick little unboxing. If you guys are interested in subscribing into the Sephora Playbox, definitely do it. It's only $10 a month and you can back out anytime you want to. So it's really good with their customer service, but I just like it because it gives me a chance to try products I've never tried before. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like or a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.